Hey, welcome back to the channel. Chris here with Urban Gardener DC, and just want to do something to kind of go over a question I've seen multiple times in the comments of these videos. And the question was, how do I germinate? What do I use? And the methods that I take to ensure proper germination without things getting too leggy. So let's get into it right now. Alright, so short and simple, I just have your traditional wire rack, right? These things come, I don't know, 4 feet tall, whatever it is. And then underneath, if you look up, all I have is a double bulb light. This is not a grow light. This is not anything special. I think it was $30 or so. But I've actually found something even better that I just ordered from Amazon. But as you see here, the double cup method, we have okra. You see how healthy that plant looks right there. We have 2 okras in that cup. This other 2 cup method, we have some Better Boy tomatoes. Not sure if you know about Better Boys. I'm going to be doing a video pretty soon about Better Boys, and I mean they're just they're probably one of the best tasting tomatoes that I've had. Then back behind here we have a big Thai chili. I just transplanted that actually this morning. There's 2 plants in this one 18-ounce cup. Actually, let me set that above. Behind that, here's one that we're going to be transplanting pretty soon. There's actually 1, 2, 3 of the Gardener Delight tomatoes. This is a cherry style tomato, but I mean if you look, that plant is only about 3 inches out of the cup. I'm sure it's root bound beyond all recognition, but look how healthy that is. And these here are direct sown into the 2 cups. Did not put them in a seed start tray. I literally did my 2 cup method, as you see there, filling the bottom with water, put holes in the inside cup, and that forces the plants to germinate from below. And let me see, behind that, what do we have? Yep, 2 more Better Boys. But if you look at it, just think about this. When a tomato comes up, you have the first 2 leaves that open up. But if you look at that, look at the leaf structure that's developed on these very small germinated plants. But I mean, these plants already have 10 plus leaves on each one of them by using this real simple grow method, using the 2 cups and then keeping that light, as you see. Right there's the top. So that light is no more than 3 inches from the top of that cup. And then I have a seed tray. Just your standard seed tray. I'll pull it out in a second, but we have Italian peccorcini, we have beets, we have, what else? The light's bad, sorry. No, I'm sorry. We have Black Beauty eggplants right here. Then we have some Ford Hook zucchini right there. I've already taken, as you see in the seed trays, I've already taken a couple of them out of these little pods and then transplanted into the 2 cups. Then we have some purple eggplant here. This is the long variety of eggplant. Those are going to come out pretty soon too. And then last but not least is the big Thai chilies. As we just saw in the 2 cup that I showed you, that was the first 2 that I transplanted from this tray. So that's as simple as it is. Sorry, using the 2 cup method with that single light. And then I'll take you over to my other shelf. This is just one of the shelves. I'll take you over to the other shelf now. Alright, so we're back at the second shelf. As you see here, same thing. We have that single light fixture hanging down. Right. And in these cups, all these cups here, using the same 2-cup method, these are all cucumbers, right? So there's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cucumber plants right here under the grow light. Or excuse me, under the regular light, not a grow light. And then we have small plastic cups here, which are Better Boys as well. Yep, Better Boys. I mean, look how healthy that plant is. And there's 2 of them in this little cup, using the 2-cup method. But this one, you can see the root system in there. Right? Look at all the roots. So this method here with these 2 cups, it works in clear as well as in these red cups. But once again, it's very simple. I have 2 in each of these clear cups, 2 Better Boys that'll get transplanted into these red cups soon. Probably do it by the end of this week. But there's 12 Better Boys right there. And then we said we had 10 cucumbers. Right? But same, once again, single bulb. Very simple, very easy to do. So guys, I hope this was helpful. I know I had a couple requests for this on the channel. Please make sure to comment below. You know, ask questions. I'd love to answer them. I'd love to get input actually from a bunch of you all as well. We're getting a lot of good comments and reactions, and I hope to bring value to you guys as we grow and get ready to get all of these plants. Probably in about the next month and a half, get out to the community garden and get that stuff planted. Alright, so I will talk to you guys soon. See you on the next one.